What's up everybody, it's Sean with 614 Inc. Reviews and How-Tos, and today we are going to be taking a look at how to make the best ribs of your life in the least amount of time. And so we're just going to jump right into this one today. What you're going to need is 40 ounces of canned pineapples. You can use them pureed, you can use them chunks like what I have here today, or you can use whole sliced pineapples, whichever you prefer. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of your favorite dry rub. I am using sweet and smoky dry rub, and 1 tablespoon of your favorite seasoning salt. You're gonna take all 3 tablespoons of those ingredients, put them in a little cup here, or glass dish, mix them together. You're then gonna need 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and 1/2 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using Memphis style barbecue sauce. It's got a nice smoky flavor to it, which should complement my sweet and smoky dry rub really good. Next, you're gonna use whatever type of your ribs are your favorite. I am using St. Louis style pork spare ribs today. You can use baby back ribs or just traditional spare ribs or whatever have you. Whatever your favorite type of ribs are, this recipe will work with either. And so what we're gonna do is dump our pineapple chunks and our pineapple juice in our Instant Pot, dump our barbecue sauce, our apple cider vinegar in with our pineapple chunks, mix it together really good. And then we are going to pat dry with a paper towel our spare ribs and remove any silver skin that may be remaining. Just an FYI, I've already removed my silver skin. You may have even purchased ribs where the silver skin was already removed. Once the silver skin is removed and the ribs are patted dry, we're gonna go ahead and rub them down with our spices and seasoning salt. And then we are gonna insert them in our liquids in our Instant Pot around the perimeter, bone side in. Once we have done that, we are gonna cook them for 25 minutes on high pressure, and then we're gonna let our pressure naturally release for about 10 to 15 minutes. At the end of the 10-15 minute naturally release period, if all of the steam and pressure hasn't naturally released, go ahead and drain it. Just be careful, you know how to use an Instant Pot. Hit your purge button, stand back, and let the pressure naturally release. Once we've done that, we're gonna go ahead and throw them back on a clean baking sheet. We are gonna slather them liberally with our favorite barbecue sauce. Again, I'm using a smoky Memphis style barbecue sauce, top and bottom side. And then we're gonna throw them on the grill, which has been preheated to a medium-high heat around 350 degrees for an additional 5 minutes. That 5-minute time period on the grill is gonna allow the barbecue sauce that we just slathered them in to caramelize and give us a really, really nice flavor. And so there's not a whole lot to this, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do this all in a time-lapse period and show you how they turn out. Alright guys, so there's our ribs in the pot. As you can see, I did a second slab of ribs, so we're gonna figure out together. I've never done it with 2 racks, only 1, whether or not this is something that's gonna turn out good. So we'll go ahead and set our timer to 25 minutes on high pressure. We're gonna let it naturally release for between 10 and 15, and then we'll go ahead and manually release any pressure that remains after that and see what we're left over with. And so there it is guys, the final product. How can this not be good? Let's go ahead and take them off the grill, take them inside, and see what we've created. Alright guys, final product. This is mouth-watering. I cannot wait to try this. They are juicy, tender. I'll show you, fall off the bone with extremely minimal effort. You can just tear this thing to bits without even trying, and yet it's still got that nice crust and bark on it from the grill and the caramelization of the barbecue sauce. And so, without further ado, this stuff. It's perfect. All right, I'm gonna get down on these. We'll see you on the next one.